Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this succulent and cactus bundle. I'm going to go in first with peony, and I'm just going to base coat that onto my flower, and then I'm going to add a little bit of soft pink and just blend those together. Next, I went in with kudzu for the succulent here, and I am just blending in some limeade. And now I'm using mint julep for this, and it kind of reminds me of an aloe. I'm not exactly sure what kind of succulent it is. It could really be whatever you wanted it to be. And all the paint I'm using in this video is available on buildacross.com. You can also purchase the brushes and the cutouts that I'm painting there. This is a paint by line, so all these lines are etched for me, which makes it so easy. I love painting paint by lines, and I'm loving how much they help you guys out. I'm going in now with evergreen for my cactus, and then I'm going to blend some limeade in with that. And pretty much anytime I'm blending, I just get my two colors down, and then I'll wipe my brush off and just continue to blend until I'm happy with the way it looks. Now I'm going to begin to base coat my pot at the bottom. Just going in with the gulf first for these zigzag lines. Now I'm going in with a peacock for the other section of these lines. Now I'm going in with limeade for the rest of my pot. Now I'm going to let everything dry or dry with my Sharpie brush stroke marker. And once I've done so, I'm going to begin to outline everything with my Sharpie marker. And this is the easiest way to outline, you guys. I love it. You can buy this brush or this marker online. But you can also use paint for this if you want to. I'd recommend like a number 4 round, just a smaller brush. And I like to just move the piece around with me as I'm painting. It helps me keep my hands steady and make clearer lines. Now I'm just going to go in with a number 4 round in the color cotton, and I'm going to highlight everything. And then once I've done so, my project will be complete. So I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.